The Xiaomi's sub-brand Poco has launched its new entry-level phone under C-series in India called Poco C61, and it seems to be a rebranded version of the recently launched Redmi A3 smartphone. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Poco C61 smartphone. The Poco C61 features a tall 6.71-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G36 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Poco C61 sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes an 8-megapixel primary camera with f2.0 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with MIUI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.4 by 76.3 by 8.3 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco C61 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 6,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 7,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from March 28th, in diamond dust black, ethereal blue, and mystical green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco C61 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.